took y'all 5 minutes to finish that with 2 people. Let's go. Huh?
John, why did you do that, man?
Gregory.
You tried to do it before we got back.
That's what? Your floor so smooth. And I ain't got
Boy, it look good, don't it?
This machine right here was kicking the ease and light. I ain't got my other machine. I got my 440 today. My 440, I love it. I got 440 smooth. Right.
You gonna do another coat though, right, John?
Huh? What about some more paint?
Yeah, I'm gonna do another coat.
Why?
Cause I want it stronger.
Huh?
I want it strong.
You want it strong? You don't think it's strong? You just want to see me paint, that's all.
Dang.
Hey, Brian, he pulled up around that corner, he say this. I bet he said.
I told you in the back, I said he gonna be done did it, ain't it?
He did.
Didn't I say that?
What you want me to do when I'm flowing like this, right? You want me to stop? Huh? You want me to stop? When I'm flowing like this right here, Brad, what you want me to do? Stop? You want me to stop?
4 foot high, black vinyl chain link. We're gonna put a 4 foot high around the rest of the duplex, across the front. We're gonna put a 15-foot roll gate rolling back this way over the driveway, and you will not be able to get onto this property unless you have permission. I'm gonna show you the layout.
Okay. All right, we loaded up. Got our 1-bys. Got our vent right here. Okay. We ready for tomorrow. Home Depot. So Felix, why are you using Durock screws outside?
They don't rust. That way I got them in the truck, they don't rust. They're gonna get painted.
So what you venting right there?
The microwave above the stove. That way the house stays nice and cool when you're cooking and doesn't get all smelled up. Not everybody does it. But a lot better when you do.
Just like that, Brian.
Listen to Greg talk you to death, man. He got a good heart. I love him to death, but he talk.
Central Florida texture and paint, knockdown, orange peel, popcorn removal, new construction, interior, exterior, drywall, installation, new. Level 5 finish. Watch the smoke. See the fire. I gotta go over here with my man B, man. B be making it happen, man. Look at that hair, man. B be making it happen, man. B got on a loud shirt, louder than the green grass. He ain't playing, man. Stop playing with him. B got the phone in his ear.